So I'm gonna order an alternator and leave the car here.
On the track.
What's up, YouTube? Back with another video. Here at school, I got the Nova here. I did a parasitic draw test.
Hey man, I went to your Instagram, man. I'm fucking with this Nova, man.
Hey, did you go to YouTube?
No, not yet. I went to your Instagram.
Yeah.
And I seen all the work you were doing. Like you that LS swap and all that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm messing with it, man.
Yeah.
I'm gonna watch. I'm gonna be in tune for real.
Yeah, go to YouTube though. They got all of it. I got all of it on there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, man. And then you got a subscription or whatever. Like you got a whole channel.
Yeah, I got a whole channel. Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, it don't cost nothing to subscribe, man.
Right.
You just subscribe. Yeah. Anyway, y'all, this. All right, we did a parasitic draw test. We did a parasitic draw test. I pulled all the fuses and I pulled the alternator fuse, and that's when the voltage dropped to 0. So now we know that it's the alternator that's the problem. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna test these wires right here and the one that's going all the way back to the battery, and then we're gonna try to see what the problem is. And I might need it to replace the alternator. Maybe something bad in this alternator. So all right. Now what I was saying is this right here. This is to the ignition switch right here, right?
Yep.
And this is going back to the battery.
Okay.
So I mean, we're always gonna have constant power because of this.
It's going straight to the battery.
Yeah.
That's what was my question. It was gonna be if we had constant power there. So what we're gonna do now is you got your battery disconnected. Your negative battery disconnected.
Yeah.
Is your key off or on?
No key is in there. It's off. Yeah.
So we're gonna disconnect this.
All right.
And I want to have you take your meter.
All right.
I want you to get one end on this smaller wire, the dark wire, whichever one that is, in this circuit. Put it in ohms. Go from here to your battery cable.
So the battery.
Yep, to negative.
Okay.
So you're gonna like, do one or the other of those.
For one, this one I got connected to the block, and I need to take that off the block and put it on the body.
Okay, that's fine.
So I'm gonna do all of that before I do the test.
Okay. Then let me know what you find with the key off. And then do it again where you turn the key on.
Okay.
Always leave your battery disconnected.
All right.
And see if those results change.
Okay.
For me.
All right, let me go get my toolbox and all that stuff. Okay, guys, I'm gonna test this power wire. I probably need to talk to him, ask him again, and see what the hell. Test the. Let me ask him again because I forgot. Shit. I know I was supposed to test something with the key on and key off. What's up? Yeah. Okay, YouTube, right? This thing is extra long. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna zip tie this thing up so it won't be so long. But unfortunately, they got them in such a funky position, behind that thing, it's kind of hard to get there. Well, I mean, I'll put it back out and put it back in the big.
The water's gone.
Oh, wow.
I was on the damn phone. Yeah, thanks, baby.
Appreciate it. guys. I got a clean spot for ground. I'm gonna go ahead and bolt that in there. All right, YouTube, I'm trying to test the ohms in this going back to the battery. And let me check this here. This should have been done when the LS swap was done, but you get people that don't really know what they're doing. This was what happens. Let me get that untightened and I'll show y'all the test.
All right.
Yep.
All right. Now it's really weird. You got a key on or key off right now?
Key is on.
Key's on. Turn it off real fast.
All right. Yeah, the dash is on and everything. Key is off. I bought a fusible link just in case I needed one.
Yeah, you're gonna need a new battery.
A new battery?
Yeah, the thing is hissing like crazy.
So it's leaking basically.
Yeah.
I think it turned off on you.
Yeah, probably. Did you change any journals on this 350? Yep.
Say what?
What'd you do to it? Besides the big ass supercharger.
This not no supercharger.
No, it's not?
No,
This
this
is
just
a
a
regular
single plane intake.
Oh, I got you.
And this just
Yeah,
a fuel injected carburetor. That's all. This is fuel injected.
Did you change any internal?
No,
Nah.
no. I
all
just
stock.
left it all stock. Yeah. It's got enough power stock. I could
It
put
does.
a cam in it.
Yeah. That was what I was gonna ask because my dad's got one. He's got the 350 on his Chevy truck. You do too. And he's been wanting to cam his shit.
350 is not enough power for one. Well, you can make it a lot of power, but I just wanted to do an LS swap. That's all. You know what I'm saying? I had a 350 in there, and I had this on it with the distributor to match,
Right.
and it would tune this. I can just tune it right in the car. You know what I'm saying? On that thing. Okay, YouTube, I don't know what's going on. The battery is bad, and I think the alternator is bad.
That thing looks new as hell.
What?
The alternator.
Yeah, I ordered it off Amazon,
Oh shit.
and I've been having problems with it. I got it fixed once. Thought it was fixed, but it's obviously not.
save it.
Thank you, sir.
You're doing the major, right?
Yeah, well, we got between us.
Looks good under these lights, don't it, man? Doing some work on this motor. Parasitic draw. Me in the class. Alright, did a battery test. I need to replace the battery.
Yeah.
Okay, YouTube, what I'm thinking is, and my instructor is thinking is that we have a bad diode and the alternator. So I'm gonna order an alternator and leave the car here till I get the alternator, install the alternator, and then we go from there. So appreciate y'all watching. Make sure y'all like, share, and subscribe. And I'll get with y'all tomorrow at engine class.
Ace Banks on the track.